Okay, my friends, and welcome to another episode of Tony's Bits on the Side. Now, Tony's Bits on the Side is a separate playlist on the Tony's Comfort Kitchen channel, where I tend to cook mainly side dishes, salads, do some food prep videos, etc. And today, I'm going Greek. I'm going to make it's a spread, Greek spread, which now then I've got to get this name right, Kitipiti or Hitipiti. Sometimes it's spelled with a K, sometimes it's spelled with an H, and it's also called, and I'm going to have to read this, tirokafteri. I think that's right. I probably just murdered the pronunciation of that. I'm sorry to anybody Greek out there. Anyway, this is a really simple, really tasty dip that I hadn't even heard of until a few weeks ago, and so I'm dying to make it for you now. Okay, so we start off with, as you can see, a red pepper. Now we need to roast this or grill it to get the skin off, so I'll do that straight away and I'll be back to you as soon as that's done. Okay, so the pepper has been in the grill now, and it's nicely charred all the way around. So what I'll do now, I'll just pop it in this polythene bag and let it sit there and cool down, and then we can peel the skin off it. Okay, as you can see, I've peeled it and taken the seeds out. Now, I'd left it in the bag for about 10 minutes before I took it out and tried to take the skin off. However, I'll let you know that 10 minutes wasn't enough because I burnt my fingers trying to get the skin off. My bad, so I would recommend leaving it for at least 15 minutes before you attempt to touch it. So anyway, it's nice and cooled down now. So what we will do is place it in a mini food processor. Just plop it in. Along with, I have 3 tablespoons of yoghurt, Greek yoghurt obviously, $120 grams of feta, crumbled up, a clove of garlic, or in this case the equivalent of clove of garlic, and finally a few mint leaves. Wouldn't be Greek without mint leaves, would it? Okay, then we just blitz it up. Take it off, have a look, and oh wow, that's pretty good. And so all that's left to do is to put it in a bowl, and then I might sprinkle some little bits and bobs on top just to make it look even more attractive. Now this can be eaten with crusty bread, with a salad. I'm going to have mine with some blinis. You can use whatever you want. And that, my friends, is a Kitipiti dip, Greek dip. So, talk about dip, I'm going to dip it myself now. Taste it. Oh, that's incredible. You can almost taste the sunshine. Very minty, very fresh, very fresh flavour. It's lovely. Great alongside a regular salad, alongside your barbecue. Absolutely wonderful. Great, give this dish a go and let me know in the comments below what you think. It is an absolute cracker. In the meantime, please like, comment and subscribe, which will be mega. And I will see you in the next video. So peace and love, my friends. Take care.